Right then, just a very quick how-to of folding an accordion book. So very quickly or simply, the accordion book is a really nice neat little package into which you can put removable little pages to record ideas. We played with it at Art in the Sun a little while ago, and I promised I'd make a little video just showing you how to do the folds. I'm going to use a piece of A4 paper, so we're going to end up with quite a small book, but anyway, let's put these to one side and make a start. So initially, all I do is I take my sheet of A4 paper and I fold it in half. From there, all I'm going to do is come back again, whoops, just knocked the little stand that the camera's on, and flip it over. So I'm in the end, I'm going to end up with 8 folds. So in half again, and then in half again, like so. Hopefully this is making sense as I go along. No fancy editing going on here, I'm afraid. You're going to have to put up with me while I make my way through the process, but as you're hopefully seeing, it won't take too long. So let's just open this bit of paper up again, and what you can see now is it's divided up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections, and I'm now going to accordion it, if that makes sense. Okay, so it looks like that. Now, once I've done that, I pull the page open and I'm going to fold it along the long edge to long edge. I'm not going to crease the whole thing. I'm just going to fold it in half, line that line up, and I'm just going to pinch that section there, just to leave a little mark in the middle. So that when I open it up, you can now see we've got the 8 sections, if you like, and now we've got that pinched mark. That pinch mark is there so that I can fold up to just beyond it. So I'm going to go just a little past it and make this fold here. Alright, like that. Then I'm going to fold down from the other side, and again I'm going to go just past it, past that pinch mark. Yeah, so just over there, hold that with my thumb, that's lined up. So what we now have, 8 folds this way and 2 folds this way, and then this fold comes down first and then up like this. So what you now have is something that folds like this and is beginning now to look like the accordion book. So the last thing I'm going to do now is unfold it, and I'm just going to drop these corners, 1, 2. So I'm folding up to the first fold line. That's a little bit wonky, that's better. And then this one here. That's it. Top one down, bottom one up. and then I fold this up like so, and that's basically it. That's my little book, and the pages would go in here, and if I wanted to I could simply cut a piece of paper to size, slot it in there, bend it around the outside and tuck it back in the other side, and I'll show you what I mean by that. The old classic, here's one I made earlier, method. So let's just take this out. So this is the book I folded that I just showed you how to fold without a cover, although it does have little pages inside. And here is the cover, and I just made this by hand, sort of through trial and error, slotting a piece of paper into that piece there, allowing it to come around the outside, round the spine, round the back cover, and tucking in there. And if you like, you can do what I've done here and just make a little, I think they're called belly bands, that just go over the edge and sort of hold it shut. That's entirely up to you. But that, in a nutshell, is how you make an accordion book fold. Ta-da!